Just in from the gym, and I'm going to show you my favorite smoothie to start my day. This is actually my brother's recipe, but it's a banger and I have been doing it recently. So I've got a cup of berries. I use coconut water. You can use normal water, but coconut water has some electrolytes as well, so I like that, and I just like the taste of it. Whoops, get it in. 2 scoops of protein powder. My favorite is the fiber. It's the best plant-based protein powder around as far as I'm concerned. Some flaxseed meal, a spoon of that. This has a phytoestrogen, so it's very good if you're on your menopause journey. Helps get rid of the bad estrogen out of your body. Some omegas. I have got cod liver oil. Fish oil is good. I buy this one that you keep in the fridge for good measure so it doesn't go off. You can use nut butter of your choice. I've actually just got a little bit of peanut butter here. Okay, so that is the base, and then I like to add creatine. Research shows creatine and protein together have a synergistic effect. So some creatine in there. This is some maca powder. This helps with cortisol, and I like to add some spirulina. Spirulina is another one of those foods to help with energy production. Give that a whiz up. Okay, we're back. Amazing, full of nutrient dense food, 50 grams of protein. The great way to start a day.